Changing your primary email on at AIG is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AIG website and log into your account using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to your existing email for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page or in the menu options. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address in the designated space, ensuring there are no typos. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify it. Check your new email inbox for a confirmation link from AIG and click on it to finalize the change. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on AIG will be updated. Make sure to check both your old and new email for any important notifications.